buckle up and take on a ride.
In this week's episode, we're inviting you to join us on an exciting adventure to learn all about aeroplanes, helicopters, and things that fly. From soaring aeroplanes to hovering helicopters, we love traveling through the skies and can't wait to show you how much fun it can be. We will take you on an exciting helicopter ride over the city and even inside a plane as we embark on a thrilling adventure around the world. So fasten your seatbelts and get ready to take off on a high-flying journey together.
Here are the passports.
Thank you.
Now we're gonna fly, please.
Once you check into your flight, you also need to check in your luggage.
There you go, all done.
Thank you so much.
Have fun.
Bye.
It's a good idea to give your loved ones a cuddle before you go, as you might miss them when you are away on your big adventure.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you. Bye, chicken.
It's mine,
Thank you. Make up the flag.
Now I've got my boarding pass and my passport. Now we go to the plane.
We are now going to take the bus that is parked on the tarmac. It will take us to the plane that we will be traveling in.
Thank you so much. Hello, young man. Nice to have you on board. Thank you. Second seat for this one, eh? Thank you.
Now time to buckle up and take on a ride.
Now I'm going to buckle up. First, you click it on, then you pull the ribbon to make it tight. And if you want to take it off, just lift this. When it's time to eat, you twist this and you open it. If you want, you can put it like this or like this. It's a good idea every now and then to put a sanitizer on to protect you from coronavirus.
It's sanitizer. May I have my sanitizer, please? This is good for the environment.
What did you say?
I said this is good for the environment.
It's also good to catch up on some reading as you wait to get to your final destination. Should you need to go to the bathroom, there's even a toilet. Now it's time for takeoff.
Look at the whole entire world. Have lots of dirt.
We're now going to travel across different continents and oceans until we reach Liberia. Sometimes you need to take more than one plane to get to your destination. When you are on a plane, make sure you enjoy the view as you can see the clouds, the coastlines, and the oceans. We are now about to land in beautiful Liberia. A country located in West Africa and, as you can see, has one of the world's greatest tropical forests. Liberia's terrain ranges from low and sandy coastal plains to rolling hills and dissected plateaus. There are lush rainforests containing a large range of plants and animals.
Welcome to Liberia, ladies and gentlemen. It is now 2:11 p.m. local time. We have just landed at Mogadishu International Airport on Monrovia.
The best part of traveling in a plane is when you arrive at your final destination and your adventures can begin. That was amazing. Welcome to Oliver Lucas's Kids Show. Today, we're going to take you with us on a helicopter ride. Yay! Let's go! We have invited our cute little friend Diego because he loves helicopters. Turning on the helicopter? Yeah. Hi, Diego.
Good morning. Welcome to Microflight. My name's Susie. How may I help you?
We were here to check in for a helicopter flight. Helicopter. Let's go! Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Hello.
Hi.
Pretty excited or what?
No, I don't have one.
Hello.
Oh, this is fun. It's so big. I've never seen a helicopter. A helicopter, also known as a chopper, is a type of aircraft that flies by using rotating or spinning wings called blades. A helicopter is different to a plane, as it can fly backwards, sideways, it can hover in one spot in the air without moving. For example, an aeroplane needs a runway to take off and land. A helicopter can take off without a runway, as it can travel straight up and down. This makes helicopters ideal for emergency rescues, where there is no runway available, as it can land in a small area or even on a hospital's rooftop.
My name's Kim, I'm going to be your pilot today.
Our pilot Kim is going to give us a safety brief before we go.
Phones for everyone, you're going to pop them on your ears.
I don't want to have fun.
You don't want headphones, but you can't speak to everybody. Don't you want to speak to everyone?
Nah.
So if you want to speak to everyone, you bring the microphone nice and close and you can speak freely. Alright, so who's first?
Me.
Alright, come around.
And then it's on.
Alright, next. Around the back.
I'm going to be happy. Why is there a flashlight? What are they? Oh, that's how they make it fly.
Who wants to go in front?
Me, I said that's the working.
So that stays around.
I said that's the working. Can't wait to use some headphones.
You want to?
I'm gonna hurt my neck. No, wait.
You know what?
I look like a baby.
Yep.
So I'm going next to you, Tiago.
What's the headphone look? Diego.
So you can speak to everybody.
No, wait.
Ready?
I'm gonna headphone at my home.
Have you?
Hello, Diego. Hello, Papa. Diego.
We are now buckled up with our safety gear on and ready to fly. These are the rotor blades of the helicopter that spin around like a big fan and blow air down to lift the helicopter so it can fly.
No, anyway.
We are now going to fly through our beautiful city of Melbourne and head over to the bay to see all the beautiful beaches. Our pilot Kim is now going to steer the helicopter using the cyclic. These are the pilot's gauges. They look very hard to read, but they communicate to the pilot very important information about the engine, the speed, and how high we're flying. It's important he checks these often to make sure the aircraft is safe. We are now flying over the beautiful Half Moon Bay, where there is a sunken warship that dates back to the early 1900s. Want to know an interesting fact? Italian artist Leonardo da Vinci first thought of and drew a helicopter back in 1490. It wasn't until hundreds of years later before anyone built one that could actually fly. Look, there are the famous Brighton bathing boxes. They are a group of 82 brightly coloured wooden beach huts from the early 1900s. Wow, look! There's our favourite amusement park, Luna Park. They have the best rides. There's Albert Park Lake. It looks so beautiful from above, almost like the shape of a heart. We are now flying towards the Melbourne Cricket Ground, a famous sports stadium where many footy and cricket games are played. We are now going to head towards the city so we can fly between the towering skyscrapers of the CBD.
I want to go on again. I'm going to go on every game by myself. Well, it was so fun because it was floating.
It wasn't floating, it was flying.
Flying.
Yeah, it was flying.
And then that's why I want to go again.
Hey, we're going to go book another ticket. Oh, because we want to go on it again.
Yes!
You're not joking. It was so fun. When we first took off, felt like...
I want to go again.
When we first took off, it felt like we were levitating.
Oh my god, how are we so high up right now?
The moon.
We're higher than basement.
Oh my god.
Basement.
Partly cloudy in Australia, yep, partly cloudy. Lots of pitter-patter on Melbourne's wings.
Anyway, welcome to Jetstar Airlines. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Today, we are going to catch a plane to Sydney and see Bondi Beach. Let's go.
In this week's episode, we're going to take you with us to show you how much fun it is to travel on a plane.
Going on a plane is really exciting. You get to see amazing view of the ocean and the land.
The first step at the airport is to check in your luggage. You need to weigh your suitcases to make sure they are the correct weight.
I don't know how much that says.
And this one is what I'm holding. It's 4.8 kilograms. Okay, mine's 4. Airline, Jetstar, name and flight, arriving in Sydney. We are now checking into our flight and printing off our boarding passes. We've got our tickets and we're ready to go. Lucas, can I trust you to hold your ticket?
I want to hold mine.
I'll hold it. Lucas forgot his teddy at home, so we have made a quick stop to buy him a new teddy to travel with.
Thank you.
Dog.
It's a dog. That's 14. Thank you. You've got to wait for your change, okay? And that's your change.
Thank you.
My pleasure, sweetie.
We are now in the departure lounge of the airport, where we can see all the planes on the tarmac. It is so fascinating to see how planes are prepared before they take off. This plane is getting filled with jet fuel. The jet fuel is what will give power to the aircraft so that it can make its journey across the skies. They are now attaching the passenger boarding bridge, an enclosed movable bridge used at airports to connect a terminal gate to an aeroplane. Here is the airport baggage truck that is carrying all the passengers' luggage that will be uploaded to the cargo compartment of the plane.
Aye, Captain.
Your ticket, thank you. This is Oliver's ticket, which is me, obviously. Hello. Hello. Right here.
Thank you.
Bubblegum. Oh, it's very cute.
25.
25. 22. I got. Oliver has 2 windows.
We are just finalising the last of the paperwork.
Now, we're going to put on the belts. Take off.
To Sydney is approximately 1 hour and 6 minutes. Just a friendly reminder, ladies and gentlemen, smoking, vaping and e-cigarettes is not permitted on board. Laptops must be switched off now and stowed away.
If you are like me and get sore ears when the plane takes off and lands, then it is a good idea to chew some gum.
The gum will help my ears on the flight. Very good.
Follow their instructions. As we get underway, please make sure your personal electronic devices are in a flight safe mode or otherwise completely switched off. Your carry-on baggage and larger electronic devices should now be placed either under the seat in front of you or in an overhead locker.
Planes are a great way to travel long distance and to make it easier to explore other beautiful faraway countries. By flying, you avoid land-bound issues like roadblocks and traffic. You are able to travel at super fast speeds so you can get to your destination quickly. You never have to worry about being hungry on a plane because they give you lots of food.
Aussie sandwich. These olives are amazing.
Sometimes when you're on an airplane, your mum might need to take a big, long nap. in Australia. Yep, partly cloudy. But in Melbourne, really, really wet. Lots of pitter-patter on Melbourne's wings. Anyway, welcome to Jetstar Airlines. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Beautiful view in Melbourne. About 23 degrees today. Partly cloudy. Pretty good weather. Superstitious.
All planes have toilets for when you need to take a toilet break. I am now making my way back to my seat as we are now preparing to land.
Bring your seat back upright, lower your armrest, open your window shade and stow your tray table. Place your belongings either under the seat in front of you or into an overhead locker. Cabin crew team will now be seated for landing. Thank you.
As the plane descends through the clouds to land, we are experiencing some turbulence. Turbulence is when you feel the plane go up and down and shake as it's traveling through air pockets in the sky.
Where are we, Lucas? Where are we? I'm going over the country. Look at all the clouds. It's dark with water. Turquoise, not dark voice. Turquoise water. That's Australia over there. We're in Australia.
Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until we have reached the gate. The captain has switched off the seatbelt sign.
Let's get out of Now we are going back to the hotel. The hotel has the amazing view and we're gonna go relax and watch TV. Let's go! You ready? We're gonna flip all the levers. Let's flip them up. Okay, ready to blast off! Welcome to the Oliver and Lucas Kids Show, where you'll find educational videos for kids. Today, we're at the Australian National Aviation Museum, and we're going to learn about some planes. Yay! Ta-da! Whoa! Look how big that is!
The Australian National Aviation Museum has a large collection of Australian-made aeroplanes. There are so many types of planes. There are cargo planes, seaplanes, agricultural planes, military planes, and jets. Wow, look how long the wings are. This aeroplane is a passenger plane. This means that this plane travels with people inside. It is used to transport people from one place to another, just like a bus or a car, but much faster. This is the nose of the plane. The nose of an airplane is very important to flying as it cuts through the air. This allows the air to flow around the aircraft so that it can travel fast. That's the engine. This is the part of the plane that provides all of its power. These are the windows from the inside of the plane. And this is where all the passengers sit. This is the cockpit. This is where the pilots sit and drive the airplane the same way as you would drive a car.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, left, 1.
This is a freight aircraft, also known as a cargo aircraft. This plane is not for passengers. Instead, it carries heavy things. We are now in the fuselage. The fuselage is the main body of the plane.
Look at the Navy plane.
These are the tires of the plane. They help the plane move while it's on the ground. They also help the plane to take off. This plane has contra-rotating propellers. This means there are two propellers arranged one behind the other, with both of them turning in the opposite direction. Here are some fun facts. Did you know that some planes can take off and land on water? These are called seaplanes. Did you know there are some planes that can fly without a pilot? These are called drones. Here's another type of aircraft, a helicopter. Helicopters can be used to transport passengers and even fight fires by carrying tanks of water.
Sit right here. Sit here. The wheel on the bus go round and round.
a little break because it's shout out time. And today's shout out goes to Oliver and Owen. Thank you so much, boys, for watching our show. Your mom told us you're coming to Melbourne, and we would love you to be in our next video. Yay! Whoa, look! Whoa! What's that plane? This plane! Yes! I know how to get in it! We are now going into the flight simulator. Okay, so, oh look! We're flying! Here, we will experience all the sights and sounds that a pilot experiences when flying. You ready? We're going to flip all the levers. Let's flip them up. Okay, ready to blast off! Yee! Whoa! One, go up! Now, ready, steady, go! This is an oxygen mask. They use this if they're running out of oxygen. Okay, so how are we going to ride this? With the steering wheel. Steering wheel? Maybe we do this. We do this. No, this is the steering wheel. Let's go to another plane. Okay, let's go. Flip, closed, turn on, flip. All of them on twisters, turn. This is the lovely video ever! It's time for us to fly off. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to our channel for more educational videos for kids. See you next time. Bye!